friends. So in this video we will discuss a problem which is freedom. This question was asked in today's contest. So it's a very good question. So let's see the problem statement. So problem is saying that we have Iran, Mikasa and Armin are playing a game with an array A of length n and to get freedom. Okay, Iran can select any indices from I and j such that I should be less than j and the index is starting from 1. So let A, B and C denotes the points of the Iran, Mikasa and the Armin respectively A minus B, A minus AI minus AJ, AI plus AJ, AI into AJ. So these are some points A, B, C. Irain, Mikasa and Armin will get freedom if the values of A, B, C are in the order of AP. AP means arithmetic progression. It means the difference between the two numbers will same and the again difference between the two numbers will same, but the difference will not change. So 2B equals to A plus C. It is a method to find AP. So the task is to count the numbers of all ways Irain can select pairs I comma j such that they get freedom. So let's take an input. So basically the problem is saying that we have to find ABC and we'll check how many pairs are exist in so such that they can get a freedom. So let's see the approach for this problem. So we have given this we have given that the values of ABC form a arithmetic progression. So here's the method to find the arithmetic progression is a plus n minus 1 into d. This d is the common difference. The common difference of two numbers will always remain same. So we'll use this property. The common difference of these two numbers will always remain same. So a2 minus a1 will be same. a3 minus a1, a3 minus a2 will also be same. So these two numbers will be same. So 2a2 equals to a1 plus a3. So that 2b equals to a plus c. So now we will put the values. B equals to ai plus aj. As you can see here, b equals to ai plus aj, a equals to ai minus aj. So we will put the values here. So b equals to ai plus aj, a equals to ai minus aj, c equals to ai into aj. So after putting all the values, we will get this ai equals to 3aj upon aj minus 1. So how many values of aj are existing so that ai will occur? Like let's see, we have to find the pairs aj comma ai, or we can say ai comma aj. If aj comma ai, if aj I am telling aj as x, if aj एक नंबर है, ठीक है, जो कि x है, तो ai कितना होगा? 3aj अपॉन aj माइनस वन. ai क्या है? 3aj अपॉन aj माइनस वन. aj क्या है? x है, तो ai क्या हो गया? 3x अपॉन x माइनस वन. तो 3x अपॉन x माइनस वन. For a given number aj, we have to see 3aj upon j minus 1 is exist or not. If this is exist, then how many times it is occurring, means how many times it is present in the array. So let's take an example for this. If we have a array 21862, okay, so if x is 2, initially if x is 2, x is saying like aj. So if x is 2, so if x is 2, now what is the value of this ai? ai equals to 3aj upon j minus 1. So 3 into aj minus 1. This should be aj. Like as you can see here, aj minus 1. So this should be aj actually. So 3 into 2 upon 2 minus 1, which is 6. So we will see, yet 6 is present in the array or not. Here 6 is present. So 6 is present. It means 2 comma 6 can be a pair. So in that at that time what I will do, map of that 2, map of 2, because x equals to 2, so map of 2 equals to 1. Now map of 2 equals to 1. If we will find other pairs also, then this number will also increase. If x equals to 1, now if x equals to 1, then we will find 3 into 1 upon aj minus 1. So aj minus 1, this will be 0. If 3 upon 0, infinity. If aj is 1, if this is the condition, if aj is 1, it means x is 1, then in that case I will always get 0. So this is the condition, x should be greater than 1, because if x is less than 1 or equal to 1, then it will be, if x is equal to 1, then it will be 0, and something upon 0 is not defined. So that's why x should be greater than 1. If x equals to 8, I'll get 3 into 8 upon 8 minus 1, 24 by 7. This is not divisible. So this is the second condition. 3x upon x minus 1 should be divisible. Should be divisible. So these two conditions we should follow. सो नाउ वी विल ऐसे ही करते जाएंगे एंड ठीक है, इफ x इक्वल टू 2, इफ x इक्वल टू 2, सो 3 into 2 upon 2 minus 1 which is 6, 6 is present in the array, ठीक है 6 present है, so at that time 2 comma 6 or 6 comma 2 can be a pair. So that's why we are using maps, because we have to count the frequency how many times it is occurring. If 3aj upon j minus 1 is present, then I have to find how many times it is there in the map. If 6 is there also, if 2 के पहले एक 6 और मान लो 6 होता, तो ये 6 कितनी बार आता है, 1 यहाँ पे, एक बार 6 यहाँ पे आ गया और एक बार 6 यहाँ पे आया था, तो वो 2 टाइम्स आया था, तो दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर एट दैट मोमेंट will would be 2. In this case answer will be 1. So let's do the code for this, and while doing the coding we will understand the problem. So we have given some cases like we have to take some test cases int t, c int t, while t minus minus, we have taken the test cases. Now int n, c in n, we are taking the size, we are creating a vector int a b of size n. Now I am taking the input, so for auto it belongs to b, sorry, yeah, so it belongs to b, and we will dot push back, no sorry, क्या कर रहा है, इनपुट ले रहे हैं ना, scene of it. So now I have taken the input. Now what I will do, I'll create a map of long long comma long long. Why I'm taking long long, because overflow नहीं आएगा उस चक्कर में, ठीक है, int a भी ले सकते हैं, but फिर बाद में overflow का चक्कर पड़ता है, इसलिए long long. Now I have created a map to count the frequency how many times it is occurring. If 3aj upon aj minus 1 exists, then how many times it is coming in the array. So now I'll apply a loop for int I equals to 0 to I less than n, then I plus plus. Now the main condition starts. Now we have a condition like if, as you can see here, if x should be greater than 1 and 3x upon x minus 1 should be divisible by, why these two conditions are there, because 3 x, if x equals to 1, मान लो x 1 हुआ या x less than 1 हुआ, ठीक है, इन दैट केस एक्स लेस देन 1 हुआ, तो ये चीज क्या हो जाएगी, 3 एज अपन एज माइनस 1, एक्स माइनस 1 सॉरी, सो नेगेटिव आ जाएगा नीचे वाली चीज, और इफ एक्स इक्वल टू 1 हुआ तो वो नॉट डिफाइंड हो जाएगा, दैट्स व्हाई एक्स शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 1. सो लाइक लॉन्ग लॉन्ग एक्स ले लेते हैं पहले, एक्स इक्वल टू, सॉरी, एक्स इक्वल टू बी ऑफ आई, ठीक है, एक नंबर ले लिया मैंने, पहले एक नंबर ले लिया. नाउ आई विल चेक अ कंडीशन इफ एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन 1 एंड देन जो मेरा नंबर है 3aj अप टू 3x, सो लाइक 3 इंटू एक्स अपॉन x माइनस 1, x माइनस 1, दिस वाला नंबर जो aj है मैंने x बोल दिया उसको, 3x अपॉन x माइनस 1, दिस शुड बी डिविजिबल. सो डिविजिबल के लिए क्या करना है, इसको मॉड्यूलो कर दो, सॉरी, modulo equals this, if this modulo is 0, it means the number is divisible. In that case what I can do is I have to create an answer also. So let's create answer जो मुझे रिटर्न करना फाइनली, इनिशियली आंसर 0 होगा, so आंसर प्लस इक्वल टू मैप ऑफ 3 इंटू एक्स. सो इसको कॉपी कर लेते हैं, इस वाली चीज को यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं और इसको डिवाइजिबल की जगह क्या करते हैं, डिवाइड कर देते हैं. इफ दैट नंबर इज डिविजिबल, इफ नंबर इज डिविजिबल, सो 3x अपॉन x माइनस 1, दैट विल बी माय आंसर. सो आंसर ऑफ मैप ऑफ 3x अपॉन x माइनस 1, आंसर प्लस इक्वल टू हो गया, ठीक है. और आफ्टर दिस इफ कंडीशन व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल आई विल डू अ वन थिंग लाइक मैप ऑफ दिस नंबर, वी कैन से x, x करंट बोला है, ठीक है, x प्लस प्लस, ठीक है, map of x plus plus, because I have to increase the frequency also. I have added this here, answer plus equals to map of this value, map of इसकी जो वैल्यू होगी ना, इस मैप में अंदर जो वैल्यू है उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग जो वैल्यू होगी, ये तो क्या होगा, की हो गई ये वाली चीज, इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग जो वैल्यू भी तो होगी ना, उसको मैंने ऐड कर दिया आंसर में, ठीक है. एट फाइनल I have to increase this also. So map of x plus plus, and finally we will return our answer. So now let's run this and see if this will work or not. Definitely it will work because our approach is correct. So some semicolon mistake. Yeah. So why my answer is not printed here? Hmm, 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 hmm. Return answer. So what is the mistake? Let's see the mistake. Yeah. Frequency of I will increase the frequency map of x plus plus, and answer plus equals to this one. So all things are perfect. So why it is not working? Let's again run this code. I think it will now work perfect. Let's open this. Yeah, yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. I've added a condition here. I will talk. Yeah, it is working perfect. It is giving me correct answer. So I have added this condition also. It should the if a map dot find of this value, if this value is exist in the map, if I have taken a value x, corresponding x is the ai value, ai के corresponding value क्या होनी चाहिए aj, because I के corresponding pair क्या होना चाहिए j, तो ai के corresponding value aj होनी चाहिए, ai क्या था x, तो aj के क्या बोला मैंने 3 into x upon x minus 1, अगर this value is present in the map, then I will do this condition. I will apply this condition, and then I will increase the map of that corresponding number plus plus increment of that number. So that was the code. So it is working perfect. If you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. And this is a simple code. If you simply run this code, dry run this code, then you will understand why we are doing like this. So we'll see next video. तब तक के लिए bye.